Is there a ceiling equivalent of / operator in Python? I found out about the / operator in Python, which in Python 3 does division with floor. Is there an operator which divides with ceil instead? I know about the operator which in Python 3 does floating point division.
There is no operator which divides with ceil. You need to import math and use math.ceil.
No, but you can use upside-down floor division : superscript 1. This works because Python's division operator does floor division, unlike in C, where integer division truncates the fractional part. Here's a demonstration. Why this instead of math.ceil? Math.ceil A, B, can quietly produce incorrect results, because it introduces floating point error. For example, in general, it's considered good practice to avoid floating point arithmetic altogether unless you specifically need it. Floating point math has several tricky edge cases, which tends to introduce bugs if you're not paying close attention. It can also be computationally expensive on small / low power devices that do not have a hardware FPU. Superscript 1. In a previous version of this answer, ceildiv was implemented as return a//b, but it was changed to return a//b, after commenters reported that the latter performs slightly better in benchmarks. That makes sense, because the dividend, a, is typically larger than the divisor, b, since Python uses arbitrary precision arithmetic to perform these calculations. Computing the unary negation A would almost always involve equal or more work than computing B.
Solution 1. Convert floor to ceiling with negation. Reminiscent of the Penn and Teller levitation trick, this turns the world upside down. With negation, uses plain floor division, where the ceiling and floor have been swapped, and then turns the world right side up, with negation again. Solution 2. Let divmod do the work. The divmod function gives a //b, a %b, for integers. This may be less reliable with floats due to round-off error. The step with bool r adds 1 to the quotient whenever there is a non-zero remainder. Solution 3. Adjust the numerator before the division. Translate the numerator upwards so that floor division rounds down to the intended ceiling. Note, this only works for integers. Solution 4. Convert to floats to use math.ceil. The math.ceil code is easy to understand, but it converts from mints to floats and back. This isn't very fast and it may have rounding issues. Also, it relies on Python 3 semantics where true division produces a float and where the ceil function returns an integer.
You could do x plus d1 // d when dividing x by d, for example, x plus 4, // 5.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.